Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking your provider account right now. Open the app or portal and look at the balance and expiry date so you know the planned end. Once done, note session timers and any data caps because those determine when service stops. Make sure to save the recharge ID, amount, and timestamp. This helps if the system misattributes usage. You want concrete numbers before proceeding so you can compare live behavior against billed expectations. Now monitor live metrics. Check RSSI and TX/RX indicators on the router or your phone to confirm active connectivity, and watch real-time data usage counters to see how much allowance remains. As you watch, compare session time with the expiry timestamp. Throttling or sudden speed drops usually mean the recharge has been consumed. Also, make sure to read provider SMS alerts and activity logs. To finish, verify the end by actively testing. Load several sites, run a speed test, and ping reliable hosts. If pages fail or speeds are severely reduced, the recharge is likely over. If the account still shows credit but connectivity is bad, restart the modem or router and recheck metrics. Sometimes sessions need a reset. If problems persist, contact support with your recharge ID and timestamps. They can reconcile billing versus real-time state and restore service, or issue a correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.